guys, how are you? My name is Jamie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my January favorites. This has been long overdue. I know this was supposed to be released about 2 weeks ago, but yeah. If you guys remember, at the start of January, I filmed a haul video of my skincare and makeup products, and I told you guys that I would put them to the test for 30 days and see if it would make it to my favorites list at the end of the month. So today I'm going to give you guys a report which products made it to the cut, and without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the skincare haul. So first I have the St. Ives Apricot Scrub. This was kind of an easy product to decide on because at first use I already fell so in love with it. This retails for 267 pesos and it's a 10-ounce tub. So I think it's pretty affordable, and also with this product, a little goes a long way. So I think super makakatipid ka dito. Another thing I really like about it is it smells really good and it smells super duper fresh. Although it is a body scrub, it's very gentle on the skin, and the best part is St. Ives is such a reputable brand, so I would definitely swear by this. Next, let's move on to a toner-like product, which is the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This was on sale in Beauty Manila for 963 pesos. I think the original price is around 1,080 pesos. It's not that much of a sale, but then again, I just really wanted to try it out because this has so many good reviews on that website. Just to give you guys an idea, this product is used like a toner. If I shake it, you guys can see it's like a water consistency. You basically apply it on a cotton pad and wipe it on your face just like Escanol. The BHA Blackhead Power Liquid basically takes out all your impurities, dead skin cells, and blackheads without the sting or without any peeling at all. Some reviews even swear that they don't even go to the facial center anymore to get a monthly facial after using this product. This product works so well for me, but my only concern is if you have very sensitive skin, I advise not to use it every day. Try to use it like twice or 3 times a week for best results. I started using it every day for a week and it all came down to my skin drying so much. Probably the product is too strong for me, but when I started using it only twice a week, it gave me the best results, and my skin has never been more clear and my pores have never been smaller. Now, if you're worried about it, then it's always best to do a patch test. You can try to put a small amount on your neck or maybe here on your elbow, because this is the part that has the thinnest skin in your body, if I'm not mistaken. And the last and the bonus of my skincare favorites is the Dehydration Boosting Cream Water Plus Water from Vanilla Co. I didn't mention this in my haul video, but I think that this is just really noteworthy. I have to include it in today's video. So this is a product that I got from Korea last September 2017 when I went there and visited, became a tourist. I don't really know the price because I forgot. It's been months now, but I never really got the chance to use it. So for the month of January, I religiously used this product and I'm quite satisfied. I'm super happy that they have it already here in Manila, so I don't have to ask relatives who are going to Korea to buy for me. It's very easy to find now. I am not sure how much this cost, but I know it's a little bit pricey. It's probably around in the 1,000 peso range. And it's not heavy on the skin. I find that if I use this product, it always gives me the glass-like effect on my skin. It just makes it super supple and hydrated throughout the entire day. When I combine the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid and the Dehydration Boosting Cream, it always gives me the best results. And when I wake up in the morning after using this, my skin is super smooth and supple and glowing. So if you guys can go over your budget, then I would recommend this one and this one together. Okay, so let's go to my makeup favorites. My first favorite of the month is by Maybelline. It's the Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. I am in the shade 60 or Sandy Beige, and this is a 30 ml bottle. You can find it at Watson's for 499 pesos, and I think that's a very good deal for it, especially since I only use a small amount to cover my entire face. It has a light to medium coverage, so don't expect it to cover a lot of redness or really dark spots from pimples. When I use this, I still have to apply concealer to my dark spots or my under eyes. But the good thing about it is if you have a lot of eruptions on your face or really angry pimples, this doesn't dry it out, or it doesn't like accumulate in the spot where you have pimples. It doesn't make it look cakey. It's very hydrating, so it's not gonna look bad on your skin. My skin has just been high and low lately because of so many circumstances, so I had to make the effort to put foundation every time I go out. And this is very lightweight and it has a mousse-like consistency, so I think it's a very good foundation for an everyday look. Of course, I would still prefer to wear BB creams, but since I want it to be more hydrating, definitely this product. If you have very oily skin, it might not last for you the entire day, so I recommend that you set it with a good setting powder. And the last among my favorites is this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 656 or Clay Crush. So this is Liza Soberano's favorite lipstick shade, and I kind of know why now because it's the perfect nude. When you first see it, you can't really tell if it's like pink or peach, but some people say it is a pink tone with a peach undertone. For me, when I apply it, I think it looks a little bit more pink on my skin tone, but it's not really the overwhelming kind of pink. It's a comfortable pink for an everyday look. I also recommend that you guys try to apply gloss more often because it's just more in right now instead of the matte look. I mean, matte's okay, but I feel like gloss is a good daytime look because it just makes you look a lot more fresh. Question of the day: if you guys can recommend a really good lip gloss that doesn't really break the bank, let me know in the comment section down below. I currently use Rihanna's Fenty Gloss Bomb, but I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It's also kind of pricey. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I've missed you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on my socials if you want to keep up with me on the daily. I post a lot on Twitter and my Instagram stories. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!